Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to use Hamala Tunnel Plus VPN, a free app available on the Google Play Store that can help enhance your privacy and connection security while using public networks. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Play Store. Search for Hamala Tunnel Plus VPN and install the correct app by checking the name and icon. Step 2. Once installed, tap Open to start the VPN app. Step 3. Tap the three lines in the corner and select Update to refresh the app's resources. Step 4. Choose UDP as the connection type. If UDP doesn't work in your country, try Xray or Shadowsocks instead. Step 5. Tap Start to initiate the connection. Once connected, your browsing will be more private and secure. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more VPN and privacy-related tutorials. See you in the next video.